Tayse Racks is a rapidly growing machine-made rear rack wholesaler in Calhoun, Georgia, serving to mass merchants, big box stores, many e-commerce giants, and over 2,200 independent retailers.
When we were using QuickBooks, we had difficulty generating the reports we needed. Acumatica has given us the flexibility to put together any type of report we want, so which gives us the visibility into our most important data.
We have thousands of customers, 300,000–400,000 items, and there are a lot of things going on. So I'm really impressed how deep you can search information or how deep you can create reports.
It's like the numbers kept moving. Now that we're using Acumatica, they're limited to what they can do. I don't have to go back and correct as many things.
Our partner Dynamic Tag has helped us tremendously when we were switching from QuickBooks to Acumatica. The transition in general was pretty straightforward and easy.
What's nice about working with Tayse Rug is that they understand that we have a relationship. This is not about us selling a one-time solution. Our business is really solving puzzles, and that's what we like to do.
They really helped us, so it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be.
We have been able to actually customize Acumatica's user interface in addition to customizing the workflow. Also, the API connection Acumatica provides help us connect Acumatica to multiple third-party applications or to our in-house database.
Before Acumatica, it was hard to give the warehouse guys the proper paperwork to where they were able to pull the orders in a timely manner, versus in Acumatica we can just download it straight from there and print it how we need to.
Acumatica has a mobile app which we have customized in order to fit the needs of our warehouse users.
The warehouse guys are able to use the scanners now to where they couldn't in the past. So as soon as they do something in the warehouse, we're able to see it within the system.
I'm literally going to overseas tonight, and I have my peace of mind that I can check everything from anywhere in the world easily and create any report that I wanted.
Now our jobs are a lot easier, and I don't have to work as many hours either, and I really like that.
So far, I can tell you that Acumatica has paid for itself.